I was nominated for the Ice Bucket Challenge by my older brother Eric Miedema. I accept the Ice Bucket Challenge, but I will be making my donation to the MS Foundation. I nominate for this my sister, Hillary Cash, my nephew, Karsten Cash, my other nephew, Evan Miedema, and my brother-in-law, Chris J. Fleer. Here goes nothing. That was colder than I expected.
I was nominated by my loving sister-in-law, Hillary Cash, to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I accept your challenge and dressed up for the occasion and will donate to the MS Foundation. And I nominate my sister-in-law, Amber Fleer, my father, Randy Fleer, and my good friend, Sarah Van Timmeren. Have fun!